In this video, we will show how to conduct the barcode grade check. First, click Analyze Barcode. Make sure the box to cover the barcode. Then enable the grade check for both 1D and 2D barcodes. Select the grade threshold. Then click Finish. Next step, start the BLC to inspect. Print a batch of labels. When detecting the label that failed to meet the grade we set in BLC, printing can only continue after the NG label is handled. The inspection standard is based on the ISO 15416 and ISO 15416 in BLC. The grade result is only for reference because the dynamic and static label image capture will result in different results. This is how to perform the barcode grade verification in the software.